How to find duplicates in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, select the area you want to find duplicates of, or if you want to select the whole sheet, click on triangle-like option on top of one. After that, table design will pop up at the top. Then in there, you will find conditional formatting. Click on conditional formatting. And then you'll find all these options pop up in conditional formatting. You can select any one from here, click on highlight select rules, and then click on duplicate values. After you have done that, in here you will find duplicate option. As you can see, it's filled with red dark color. You can also change color. You can also make unique. But we are finding duplicate, so press on OK. After you pressed on OK, as you can see, red mark is the duplicate. To simply undo this, again go to conditional formatting and clear rules. Click on clear rules from selected areas or entire sheet. Click on entire sheet and then it will be undone. As you can see, there is no red color on it. And this is how to find duplicates in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.